Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete app which is not on your home screen. Okay, so I'm going to show you on my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, that you can also follow the same step. There is a little bit different. I will tell you while processing. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. If you guys really like this video, hit the like button. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, we are on my Android phone, and first I'm going to show you how to how you can delete your home screen, your app which is not on home screen in Android first. Okay, so I will let you, then I will tell you how you can delete from your iPhone. So first we have to go in setting, and here the your setting option will be appear here. Every phone has different setting option, maybe different name and everything. So you have to click on this app option. Maybe in your phone there is a different name like application only or app and notification only. Just click on app and notification and click on see all apps. After that you will see the all app you have installed in your Android phone or iPhone. There is a system app also, you have to recognize which is system app or not. Here you can see uh, we have system app. Okay, so in first you will have all your system app, or you can search from here. If you click on this three dot, if you click on this show system, it will be show system, or reset app preference, it will be uh, if you reset, click on reset app preference, that made this will reset all preference for disable app notification. Okay, so don't do this, just cancel it. Just find out which app you want to delete, just click on it. Okay, I have, okay, if I want to delete Instagram, I will click on it, and you can click on uninstall. Maybe some phone has option like delete application in bottom. Okay, or some phone maybe here will have this three dot here, three dot option. Just click on three dot and you can delete. Okay, so that is how you can delete application which is not on home screen. And now I'm going to show you how you can delete from your iPhone. Okay, so iPhone also you have to go in setting and find the option general. Okay, click on general. Maybe in bottom you will have general option. In general option you have to click on device memory. Okay, in device memory, uh, first you have to click on general, and then you have to click on device memory. And then there in device memory, just scroll down and you will have all application. Just click on application name and you can delete from bottom option. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.